You are listening to CMU Podcast. This program is brought to you by Corporate Communication, the Alumni Relations Center, and the Language Institute. Hello everyone, this is Kelly, and welcome back to another episode of CMU Podcast. And today, the news is CMU Doi Suthep Nature Centre earns national recognition for Thai museums at Museum Thailand Award 2024. The Doi Suthep Nature Centre, operated by the Faculty of Science at Chiang Mai University, has received the national recognition for Thai museums at the Museum Thailand Awards 2024. Conferred by the Museum Association of Thailand under the theme Museum for Lifelong Learning, this national recognition celebrates the center's dedication to natural conservation through accessible nature education and continuous engagement of diverse audiences in nature-themed activities. The Doi Suthep Nature Centre is a vital learning hub for nature study, ecology, natural resources, and environmental science. It offers multifaceted engagement through Doi Suthep-focused exhibitions, interactive learning activities, online programs, and an academic database. The center primarily targets children, families, and the general public, and also provides crucial data and research to organizations and individuals. This supports a deeper understanding of nature and fosters greater awareness of environmental conservation, especially concerning the Doi Suthep region. By fostering a deeper understanding of nature through exhibitions and lifelong learning activities designed for all ages, the center directly contributes to the Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs, especially SDG 4, quality education. Its initiatives champion inclusive and equitable quality education and expanded lifelong learning opportunities for everyone. Moreover, the center's provision of a free online nature study course and a universally accessible Doi Suthep database guarantees equal access to knowledge, thereby enabling sustainable applications and promoting widespread environmental literacy. Thank you very much, and that's it for today. Please tune in again for the next episode of CMU Podcast on YouTube and Facebook, and don't forget to follow the hashtag CMU Podcast. Until next time, thank you and goodbye.